Today I will teach you how to make 3 PowerPoint presentation. Insert a blank slide, right-click and change background to gradient. Adjust the gradient stops and their color to give night effect. Now go to Insert and insert 3D objects, train and trees. Arrange the trees as if the train is coming from far away. The far trees will be smaller than the nearer ones. Nearer trees will be wider apart. Go to Insert again, insert 3D alphabets to write Eid Mubarak. Arrange them, change their size to 1 by 1. Select all alphabets and change its orientation so that it looks like one. Align them to put them behind one another. Place all alphabets on top of the train as if they are coming along. Go Insert and insert a moon. Adjust the size to make it day 1. Change its color to white and increase transparency. Take the moon outside the slide. Don't ask, just do it. Now insert stars, change color to white and no line. Change their glow to white and size to 2 points. Place the stars at different places on the sky. Reduce the size of alphabets to 0.5. Now create a duplicate of the slide. Change the places of stars and bring in the moon. Bring the train down and increase its size, like it has come nearer. Bring down the alphabets and increase their size too. It won't be a bad idea to add another tree here. Now make a duplicate of the second slide. Change the orientation of train, as if we are moving to its left side. Arrange all trees to back of the train. Bring in the alphabets and change their orientation to normal. Now rearrange them as your text. Change the places of stars and the moon. Change the background gradient of slide to lighter color like dawn. Change the orientation of trees as well. Select alphabets and apply animation. Modify the animation timing as with previous. Select all the slides and select MORPH transition.